Okay. Share. All right. So, quick video on how to set up a meeting for your virtual class in Microsoft Teams. So, when you log into your Microsoft Outlook or into Microsoft Teams itself, either one, you should have on your left side these icons over here. Oops, sorry. These icons over here. There. Yeah. Okay. Um, and in doing that, to set up a meeting that's recurring for your class, you want to go down here to these three dots. Click on those three dots, and it's going to open up some additional apps. Now, yours might be wherever it's at here, I don't know, but you scroll down and you're looking for the one that says Meet. Okay, so then you'll click on that. That's going to open up this window. And you're going to go all the way over here to the left, to the right, sorry, and you have this says add a new meeting, but right on the right side of it, you got a drop down menu right here. So you click on that, and you want to go down here to class and click class. So you want to do a new class meeting. Okay, now give me a second. I got to share the screen for that because it opens up a separate window. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So it opens up that window, this window here. When you click on that, I would go ahead and make it size. That way you can see the other information's over here. So anyway, so here, when you're on this top page here, you're going to name your class, whatever it is. Example, Corrales virtual ESL. So she has the ESL class. I'm using her as an example because I just got through helping her set this up. So anyway, then you come down here to, you don't have to worry about putting the attendees in here. This is optional. If you know all their addresses, you can, but I wouldn't worry about doing that. We're just going to share the link with them. So anyway, you come down here. So the first class, whatever that day is going to be. So we'll say it's tonight, or actually we'll do this. We'll say it's tomorrow, January 20th, Wednesday. And you teach this class at night from 6 at night to 9 in the evening. Okay. So that says now it's got the time is tomorrow, January 22nd, which is a Wednesday, from 6 to 9, January 22nd to 9. Now, this is a repeating class because you teach this every week. We'll say you're going to teach this class every Monday and Tuesday. So come down here and you say you do it weekly, and you teach it on Mondays and Wednesdays at the time you already put on there. And then you select the end date. Well, your end date needs to be no later than, and probably no earlier than, depending on what class you're teaching, the last day of the program year, which is June 30th, 2025. Okay. And that's going to say here occurs every Monday and Wednesday starting on this date and ending on that date. Once you do that, you click save. It takes you back to this page again. So now over here, it's going to say meeting chat, in meeting only. So leave that the way it is. Don't change it. These should already be toggled on. So leave those the same. Don't change those. So that way your students can use their cameras, they can use their mics, and they can do chat in the meeting when you're doing the class. Okay, so once you get all that done like that, and that's done like that, if you want to type anything else here, you can type something else in here if you want to. But, you know, pretty much the title is really all you need. It's an online meeting, so leave that toggled like that. Then go up here and click save. Okay, you click save. Now, go back down to the sharing again. And I'm going to go back to my screen here. And what you want to do now is you want to go to your calendar. So you click on your calendar. And if you look here now, there it is, Wednesday the 29th. And there's the class. Okay, so you click on that like that, and it goes over here. You see this, and it gives you the link. So the link is actually a internet link. So you can actually do Microsoft Teams meetings through the internet and not actually have to have Microsoft Teams on your computer. It'll just do it through the internet. So clicking on that and sharing that with your students through either your chat group or through your Remind app or whatever, then you can share the link with them and they can get on the meeting. Now, when you get ready to do your class, you come in here and you click on this and you click on join. You got to join your meeting to get into it, and you start your meeting. And then when you're in the meeting, which I'm going to go ahead and click on it here. Okay, I'm going to go to the window again to open the window. Okay, so it should this particular window with me. Down here in the bottom over here, it's going to have cancel and join. So I'm going to click join now. Okay, and then I turn on my camera. Oops, turn on my camera. Oh, it's probably not going to work because I'm using my camera already for the video. Okay, anyway, so you turn on your camera, and you would show up on your screen. Your mic would be on. Okay, and it says waiting for others. So when somebody else, another one of your students comes and they click on the join to get in, or click on the link, it's going to show you a screen up here saying so and so admit or not admit. You want to, so you want to have to admit them into the class, and then you click on the admit, and it lets them in. And then you have chat up here. If you click on the chat, it's going to open your chat window over here to this side. And anybody, when they join in, it's going to say so-and-so join, so-and-so join, so-and-so join. But it's not going to give you a time over here for that. It doesn't give you times. I don't know. But anyway, then you would share your screen when you're doing your video, your meeting. I'll show you that just a second here. So here's the share up here. So you click on the share to show whatever lesson you're teaching. So your computer, you're going to have open with your lessons or whatever. You click on the share, and then you're going to do your look for the screen on your computers. If you only have one screen, then it's going to be under Windows. Okay, because I have multiple screens. I have 3 screens on my computer here, so it says screen. Now, if you only have one screen, like I say, if you have a laptop, there's only one screen. There's only going to be one screen here, which means you'll have to go down here to the Windows, click on the Windows, so it shows you all the tabs you have open, and you're going to look for the one you need to have to share, whatever it is you're sharing, okay? And then you just click on that one, and then it'll share that on your screen here for the meeting. And it disappeared on me. Which I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm already doing a video. I don't know. But anyway, you click on the screen you're going to share, and then you share that particular screen. And you're still going to be having a picture of yourself in the bottom, and you'll be able to look at this stuff and talk to the students and show them what you're doing. And they can raise their hands in class. They can react to stuff you say. You can have breakout rooms if you want to have them go be in different groups and do projects together or whatever, so forth. So there's different things you can do here. And of course, once you're finished with the meeting, And then you just go up here to the top and you click leave, and it ends the meeting, and you're done. So I hope that's explainable and hope that helps you out if you need to set up a meeting. Sorry for the dark screen. I need to get me one of those little light things to stick over my camera so you can see me. For some reason, it's showing me dark. But anyway, that is it. I hope this helps.